Hello student, today we are starting with the subject biology. Lesson number 4, molecular basis of inheritance. Now first of all I will give the introduction to this chapter, that in living cells and organisms which are characterized by the remarkable ability to reproduce and transmit the characters from one generation to their progeny to the next generation and maintain continuity of inherited traits. You know students that in 20th century one of the landmark discovery in biology was the identification of DNA as a genetic material of living organism. The DNA which is there, it is the genetic material of living organism. It should be able to express accurately and have capacity to replicate with all minimum errors. This DNA shows all these features and it provides the scope for changes, which is also called as mutation, means the sudden changes that are required for the evolution of each and every organism. So let us start with the first point, 4.1, the discovery of DNA. Here, many experiments was carried out to identify the genetic material. But in 1869, Frederick Mischer began working with white blood cell from the pus from the infection he collected from the hospitals, and then he carried out the research from that cell called as nuclei. He isolated a unique chemical substance to which he called it as a nuclein, in which this nuclein they discovered that there were two kinds of nucleic acid, in which one was DNA, which is also called as deoxyribose nucleic acid, and RNA, which is called as ribonucleic acid. This DNA and RNA are the majorly component of this DNA genetic material. Now let us start with the another topic, that one is the Griffith experiment. Here, this is the first series of experiment which was performed by a British medical officer, Frederick Mischer, in 1928 on the bacterium called as Streptococcus pneumonia. This kind of bacterium is a bacteria causes pneumonia in human or in other mammals. Now here the experiment was such conducted that first of all the rough strain R bacteria was injected to these mice, but the mice did not cause any pneumonia disease and it remains alive. In the second stage, they injected the S-type bacteria into the mice, which develop and causes pneumonia into the mice. Thus S-type, which was pathogenic and virulent, causes death to this mouse. Then the heat killed S strain. The S strain which is there, it was heated and then it was injected to this mouse, but mouse does not cause with pneumonia and remain alive. Now after that he thought something, and he thought to mix the rough R strain and heat kill S strain. he injected to the mouse, but the mouse causes death. So, he named that something is transforming, which is called as transformation. It was later proved that this transforming principle was DNA. Therefore, this new change is due to the phenomenon other than mutation, which he called as a transformation. Now let us move towards another experiment. That one is Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. Later on, after some 10 years of research and experimentation, first evidence to prove the DNA is a genetic material. In this, Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy conducted the experiment from separating the rough non-virulent and smooth strand. Heat killed smooth virulent. He mixed up it, in which they added the protease, and then it was injected to the mouse. The mouse causes sudden death due to the causing of pneumonia disease, and in the next step, rough non-virulent plus heat killed smooth virulent, in which they added the DNAs, which does not cause any of the harm to this mouse, and mouse remain alive. And in such a way, now we studied that they caught that DNA which is there, it digested the virulent microorganism which made the mouse alive over here. While here DNA was not there, and so the digestion did not take place of this pathogenic bacteria, and so the mouse causes the death. Now, during the next lecture, we will study the another experiment which is called as Hershey and Chase experiment. Now, in this way, what we studied today, that one is the discovery of DNA, that DNA is a majorly genetic material which is present in each and every organism. In 1869, here Frederick Mission began working, and from this first cell, he proved that DNA is a genetic material from the nuclein. And the next we studied the genetic material is nothing but the DNA. For that they prove the experiment like Griffith experiment, which worked the Griffith, and second experiment the three scientists Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. Thank you.